Now, your most accurate forecast with WJBF Live Viper 6.
Well, we've got the statewide tornado drill for South Carolina later on this morning at 9 a.m. The National Weather Service will issue a mock tornado warning. It's just a drill, but you will see a weather alert scroll across the top of your screen when that does occur. But just keep in mind, it's just a practice drill here. All South Carolina residents and businesses are advised to participate in this drill just in case we were to ever have an actual tornado warning. We do have mostly cloudy skies out there this morning, 41 degrees by 9, warming up to 69 by 4 p.m. and then rain starts to roll in. Best rain chances start to roll in around 7 p.m. later on this evening. Now 39 as mentioned for Augusta, 42 right now for Evans and Martinez. It's 46 in Thompson. Milder temperatures as you go into central Georgia this morning. What we've got going on here, we got mostly cloudy skies right now, a bit of a warm front to our north. That's the main weather system that's eventually going to be giving us the rain later on today. Here's a look at the forecast model. We've added a couple of things on this map here. You'll see some of these arrows. Those are your wind directions coming in out of the south and southwest, and it will pick up ahead of this cold front. Now by 4 p.m. that's when we've stopped the model here. Some isolated showers, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder as the line initially rolls in. By 7 p.m. we expect much of the area to be seeing some kind of wet weather. And now by sunrise tomorrow, this system rolls on out. But that's when the winds really begin to ramp up. We'll have a westerly breeze, 20 to 25, gusting up to 35 tomorrow. So hold on to your hats. It's going to be a blustery Wednesday, but then by Thursday and Friday, looking very good. Lots of sunshine coming your way. That's when we'll start to warm things up as well. Low to mid 60s to wrap up the work week. Morning lows in the 30s. And then by the weekend, we'll get very close to that 70-degree mark as you roll towards your Sunday. Time for your weather question. This one has you thinking this morning. At 1,000 feet, the temperature is 35 degrees. At the ground, the temperature is 32 degrees. So the question is, if you're seeing precipitation, what kind of precipitation are you most likely to have? Snow, freezing rain, or just plain old rain? You've had some time to think about this one, guys. And Mary, Chris, what do you guys got for me this morning?
All right, I changed my answer.
That's
You
okay.
did.
I started with A.
And you went with B,
I'm going with
freezing
B.
rain.
I went with C, just plain old rain.
Plain old rain. And Barkley?
Freezing rain.
Freezing rain, and the B's are correct.
Oh.
Answer is freezing rain. And now here's the reason why. It's going to be all rain as it drops, but once it hits the ground, that's when it hit the freezing mark at 32, so it'll freeze on contact.
Right.
So when we ever see that kind of temperature profile, we know it's not good.
Never good.
Never want to see that because that's a bona fide ice storm.
Yes.
Yeah. Good
Finally
job,
got
guys.
one right. It's been a week.
It has been a week. Good job, guys. Coffee Club.